like that, guys. Medyo magastos din talaga, guys. Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again, Maria, isang OFW na nagtatrabaho dito sa Gambia, West Africa. So for today's video, guys, we'll go to the market because everyone is busy. They don't have time to go, so I will go. I will buy alone. So I will just buy kitchen stuff, all the ingredients that we need for cooking, and some of the meats that we need. Also vegetables and fruits. Come with me, guys. So let's go. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa Chinese supermarket. So we will buy some of the things that we need from here, and we'll go to some other supermarket as well. That one is sugar, guys. And we are getting tissue. Some candies. And like this. Ito lang yung bibilin natin, guys, dito. Guys, may mga ganyan din sila, oh. You know. Paano manok, like this. Ayan, ganyan. So may mga mugs, ganyan. So may mga tumbler din, and may mga appliances din, guys. Guys, they sell pork here. See? So many. Even shrimps they are selling. Thank you. So guys, tapos na tayo sa Chinese supermarket. Medyo mahal din yung napamili natin na nasa almost $2,700 is ayun lang yung pinamili natin. So now we are heading to local market. Guys, bibili tayo ng gatas tsaka ng manok dito. So that is the price, guys. $135 milk. So I want to buy some cookies. So I will buy this one. They have Oreo here. Guys, you see? Very expensive. Dito sa local, they have strawberries. Grapes. See how much? 780. Hello, how are you? I want to buy breast 2 kg and wings 2 kg.
Oggi non ti vedo da una farina.
Tropa, marami rin talagang mga Chinese na bumibisita sa local supermarket na to. Ingay nila. So guys, nalimutan ko pa lang bumili ng evap. So, hanapin ko lang nasa ng evap. Bibili din pala akong ganito. So, ito yung evap, guys. So, 45. I'll buy 2. Guys, I want this one. 115. So guys, magbabayad na tayo.
भाई के पूछो भाई के भाग गए
So guys, we are done buying in here. So we'll go to vegetable market, guys. So I don't have much to buy because they already bought vegetables last time. So I'll just buy some vegetables that we need and some fruits. So guys, we will meet Mama. So we always buy from her na. The price is quite expensive, but we used to buy from her, and at least the vegetables and the fruits are fresh. So guys, nandito na pala tayo. Ito pala yung famous vegetable market for foreigners here. So I will buy some veg and fruits. Let's go, guys.
Give you money?
No, he said good morning.
Ah, good morning. Oh,
Yeah.
I think you say you need money. Ah, wait, put it off. Alhamdulillah. Niya may kaki. What?
It's not very fresh. Mas malapit na tayong matapos. Bibili na lang ako ng pakwan and then tapos na. Nagkakagulo yung mga tekwa doon, no? Ha? Guys, magbabayad na lang tayo.
2 kilo
Carrot kilo, how much?
125.
125.
Okra, half.
Half.
Half 125. Kilo 250. Tomato
Kilo
jel.
2 kilo.
Tomato ang kilo ko jel.
120.
125.
250.
Pira?
Pineapple.
Kilo.
Kono nung salimat. Pute.
Watermelon.
Pombete.
So guys, nakauwi na sila. So I'm just paying. We need receipt na.
We don't have 25. You have 25.
Now, after?
20. I only have 20.
This for you.
Ah, I didn't apply.
Yaw dagang ka wala.
Did it. Did it.
Kilo wala. Yaw
Guys, tapos na tayo dito sa gulayan, tsaka sa bilihan ng prutas. Now we are heading to buy some meat. So after that, we are finished buying the things. I will just buy pizza for our lunch, guys. Lojang doesn't want to cook and we cannot cook because the time is going. So we'll just buy pizza for our lunch. Guys, did you see that they gave us free fruits as well? So that is the good thing here. You can get fresh fruits and fresh vegetables, and at the same time there is bonus. This one, the free fruits. So let's go, guys. It's Mama. She just arrived. So let's go, guys. See? This is the fruit stand, guys. There's salvation in your name. So guys, tapos na tayo. So bali pala dito sa butcher shop dito, ayaw nila nagpapa-video. So we are not able to make video. So we are going now to Senegambia to buy pizza and then I will go back home. But it takes your breath away. So guys, nasa Senegambia na tayo. Bibili tayo ng pizza. So we are 3 there. Each will have 1 box. So guys, nandito tayo ulit sa Paradiso. So as I have said before, 'di ba, yung pizza dito masarap siya. So dito kami talaga nag-order kahit na take out. So ganun talaga yung buhay ng mga taong kumakain sa labas, guys, magastos. So mantakin mo kada box nasa 600 plus dalasis. So, kung kakain ka sa bahay, di ba, homemade food and mas healthy pa. Magastos din talaga, guys. Kaya, dapat matuto rin talagang magluto, di ba? Talaga lang minsan kapag hectic yung schedule, you don't have time to cook. So, kakain ka talaga sa labas or bibili ka ng take-out foods. So, naka-order na tayo, guys. Naghihintay na lang tayo ng order natin. So, at this time, guys, wala pang gaanong tao. Kasi, magto 12 PM pa lang. Dahil, di ba nga dito, guys, sa Gambia, ang lunch time nila 1:30 PM. And yung mga foreigner, I think they are coming the same time, around 1:30 PM. Guys, we already got our pizza. This is our pizza. So I'm feeling hungry small, huh? So but it's okay. I'm just nearby. So I can go back to house faster. This one is just 15 minutes away from the house. So guys, here there are so many hotels like that. So we are heading back home. So guys, we already finished lunch. So, nakain na namin yung pizza. Nag-share-share lang kami, guys. So, we can taste all the flavors. So, as you can see, guys, here, like, that one is for 1 week food. So, I brought 10,000 and 10,000 is finished. I did not buy all the things that we need because they already bought before. So, I just buy some. But still, you see, it's costly. Here, guys, the goods are imported na, that's why. And guys, you see, this one is a Muslim country. And pork is available here. Normally, guys, we used to buy from Chinese supermarket. But I heard from the local people, guys, those who are Christians, they have also market for pork meat. So like you can buy in a local market, they are selling there. Before, we have Muslim colleague, so we respect him, his religion. So really, we are not eating pork while he's here. But if he's going on holiday, yeah, that's the time they will buy pork, so we can eat pork here. So just like that, guys, medyo magastos din talaga, guys. Yung medyo mahal din kasi talaga yung mga bilihin. But it's up to you na how you will budget. It's a matter of budgeting, guys. Doesn't matter if it's expensive or not. It's how you budget your money and how you plan your foods, na, to be healthier and way cheaper. So just like that, guys. Just really today they are very busy, so I just went alone. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. That's all for today. Thank you for all the support and the love. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye bye.